In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a video on your iPhone. If you want to create a video that repeats over and over again, in this video you will learn how to do that. There are kind of different ways to do that. I'll show you the way I like, so let's begin. First, you need to open up iMovie application. I'll search for that in the search bar, and now I open this application, and here I need to start a new project, and there is all my videos from my gallery, or videos and photos, and I can select any of them. I'll select this one, tap on create movie, and now I got all my video file right here. And if I want to loop that file, what can I do? I can first tap on that part of the video, and here tap on duplicate. So now I have two copies of that file with some transition. You see that right here. You can tap on that transition and change it, or tap none to disable any transition. So you see how it looks like now. You can tap here and enable it if you want. So now you got two copies of your file. If you need to make it much longer, now is 38 seconds. You can make it up to 10 hours if you want. You can just tap here on duplicate so much times as you want to make your video. So now you see it's 3 minutes long, and when I'm done, I just tap done here, and now I can tap here on share button and save this video to my gallery, or share this video to anyone. Now this video is being created, and when it's done, this video will appear to my gallery. Let's check it. The movie was exported to your photo library. Open my photos, and here it is, that video for 3 minutes long. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.